producing drinkable alcohol from air. A warm welcome for Simo, founder and CEO of Aircohol. The floor is yours.
Right.
Which one?
Hello. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a startup tip. Don't start your company with letter A, because that means that you're first in all these shows. So anyway, hi everyone from my behalf. My name is Simo Hämäläinen, and I am the founder and CEO of Aircohol. And we are saving the planet in a cheerful way by making alcohol from air. More precisely, we purify air by capturing CO2 from alcohol fermentation before it ever reaches the atmosphere. We feed that CO2 into patented Aircohol technology at the distillery or brewery to produce biomass. Majority of that biomass then goes back to fermentation to produce new alcohol. And for that alcohol, we don't need any crop-based ingredients, and we cut the entire carbon footprint of the raw materials, which is significant. The biomass will also have some side streams, valuable side streams, proteins, lipids, antioxidants, vitamins, and so forth, that we will sell in big volume and competitive price. Aircohol technology works, and it's already in use in Finland with our pilot customer. And next year, we are scaling up to industrial size and introducing first products to the market. The alcohol industry is huge. It actually emits almost twice as much as the entire airline industry, which means that the CO2 reduction potential of Aircohol technology is measured in hundreds of megatons on an annual basis. At StartLife, we have validated the product market fit for Aircohol by talking to over 20 different alcohol companies all around the world. And especially for distilleries, the CO2 from fermentation is a real problem. They can't use it, and it's difficult to sell. And they would much rather make drinks from it than anything else. So the problem is there, and we have the solution. So we're asking for investment or investors, and looking for investors for our upcoming round next year. Alcohol companies as partners and customers, and other companies to utilize our side streams. And these companies we invite to join our dream, which is that one day people around the world can do concrete and cheerful climate actions, raise their glasses of Aircohol, and go, cheers planet. Thank you.
Thank you, Simo. Simo, I have the first question for you.
Is it a good one?
I think it's a good one, I believe. Who would be your ideal investor for the coming round?
Anyone who believes in our vision, has a lot of money, and is willing to invest at the moment. So if you are any of those people, come and talk to me at the cocktail.
I believe we have several ideal investors in the audience there.
Yeah. I think, to be honest, companies who invest in food and beverage and climate and want to make the world more sustainable.
So do we have a question in the audience? Yes, we have a question back there.
Wow, cheerful presentation, thanks.
Thank you.
To what extent is your technology similar to that of Solar Foods?
The technology is different, the idea is very similar. So they actually take CO2 from air with direct air capture. We take, which is not the most efficient and cheapest way, we take it from the best source in the industry, which is the fermentation, which is 90% pure CO2. And we work there at the brewery and distillery, so we don't ship CO2 anywhere, as a lot of these companies do. And we produce an end product that the actual CO2 source company also uses. We have a plant-based technology. There's these microbes and hydrogen, and very different, actually.
Okay, and
but we know the company very well. They are our colleagues from Finland.
Does this also mean that your market access is far easier?
Yes. Next year, we'll have Aircohol products on the market.
Good to know.
Thank you. I think the time is up.
So it seems.
We will move on to the next startup. Thank you, Simo.
Thank you very much, and thanks for having me.